Hello everyone, welcome along to the next vlog. Hope you're all having a great day, wherever it is you are in the world. I know I am. In fact, you may notice we're on C2C because we are racing into not London Liverpool Street, so London Fenchurch Street. I do apologise. Because we have an opportunity. We have an opportunity to do something Simon's not done yet. And I know he wants to do it, so we better get it on very quickly. So, we are literally racing back to Fenchurch Street because 7:26:05, I believe, is sat there waiting for us. So, we're going to review...
We are now approaching Limehouse.
As we're coming into Limehouse, we're going to review these 720s with C2C and see what they're like. And hopefully they're much better than the ones that Greater Anglia have got. I would hope so, because if they're not, then we're going to be in for a lot of you know what. And I mean that. So we're coming into Limehouse. Next stop is going to be Fenchurch Street. Anytime you fancy stopping, because it's right there. Anytime. Right, this is the 1405, isn't it? 1404, I do apologise. But, yeah, let's check these out, shall we? I'm interested to see what they're like. Are they an upgrade on the 357s? Good question. Alright then. Got my cover photo, now it is the moment of truth.
Do you know if this goes to Upminster?
Yes. Ooh. I can smell that new unit smell. So I'm going to have to be a little quieter than I normally am. Because I'm in the quiet coach. Useful. But yeah. First thing I noticed, the seats are definitely a lot better than Greater Anglia seats. They're a lot thinner, but they're also a lot more comfortable. That's the first thing that I notice. Now it is 3+2 seating throughout the Aventura, which is not useful. You can move straight away. Thank you. Don't be listening to his loud music. Not in the quiet coach. There is actually another Aventura that's just pulled in over there for you all. But yeah, definitely the seats are a lot more comfortable. That I can say. For some bizarre reason, the 720s have tables like this. Now they don't have tables in the 2 seating, but these are the only tables that they have. Suitable for a drink, I would say, don't you? You're going to sit right there, aren't you? No, good. Perfect. We have next stop LED boards, or LED destination screens I should say, telling you where this service is going. So we're on a Shoeburyness, which goes all stations. I think it's all stations that it goes to. If you give it a few seconds, it'll turn around, it'll tell you the loading gauge as well that we got. Ooh, I wouldn't mind a trip to Fort Bay. There's a good theme park at Fort Bay. There you go, so you get basically where you are in the train. Sorry, and you get how full the train is as well. Oh, there you are, 12 stops to Shoeburyness, and we're off. Didn't even notice we were off.
c2c rail service to Shoeburyness, calling at Limehouse, West Ham, Barking, Upminster, West Horndon, Langdon, Basildon, Pitsea, Bedford, Leigh-on-Sea, Chalkwell, Westcliff, Southend Central, Southend East, Thorpe Bay, and Shoeburyness.
Right, the Wi-Fi test. See if C2C has Wi-Fi. Oh, C2C free train Wi-Fi. Look, C2C free train Wi-Fi.
2,000 years later.
Quiet. Connect to our free Wi-Fi, yes please. Oh, I've got it. Can't show you all this. One sec. That. Oh, I need to verify my email address. This is a lot of palaver just to sign on to free Wi-Fi, don't I? Oh no, hold on. Please answer a few short questions. Okay, what questions do you want? Do you have a smart card? No. How is the carriage temperature? Actually, the carriage temperature is very, very cool. It's just right, I would say. Perfect. Very air conditioned, which is nice. What are your reasons for travelling today? Business. How would you rate the cleanliness of the train? I would say it's very, very much clean.
c2c rail service to Shoeburyness. The next station is West Ham. The next station is West Ham.
Come on, let's stop.
Change here for District Line, Hammersmith and City Line, Jubilee Line, and Docklands Light Railway.
Can't keep up. Now I should point out the seating of the 720s. It is 3+2 seating throughout. You do get tables with that, but the gangway is a little wider than it is on the 357, so I would say it's definitely a plus for it. Definitely a plus for that. Huh. Looks like we also have a plug. Got USB sockets, and we've got your regular 3-prong as well. That's very handy. Although, I'll be honest, I don't like its position. I much prefer the other side. But hey ho, beggars can't be choosers. I think they're better than you, to be fair. Yeah, I should point out there are 2 toilets on this train. You've got the regular toilet, and then you've got the disabled one at the other end of the train. Next station is Upminster. That's as far as I can go because I'm on a travel card. Plenty of seating in it though. Tell you one thing I'm definitely noticing: how really comfortable this ride is. It must be a comfortable ride. That guy's drink's not spilt. I do think these are the upgrade on the 357 that this line desperately needed.
If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff.
One thing these Aventuras have over the others, I don't believe the others have the open and close, they just have open.
Saved, sorted.
So that's a plus. Oh, there we go. Here we are at Upminster. I like them. I must admit, I do like them. So there we have it, folks. We're here at Upminster. Lovely signal box, London Overground style signal box, just over my shoulder here. Very, very lovely indeed. I love the Class 720s that not Greater Anglia have got, that C2C have got, because they are definitely a big time upgrade for them as far as the route is concerned. They're better than the 357s without a shadow of a doubt. Without a shadow of a doubt. They are even better than the Greater Anglia 720s as well. Would I say they're better than the rest of the Aventura fleet? Well, probably not, because each Aventura is going to be different to the other. But I would definitely say that the 357's days are numbered if Greater Anglia get more of them, because they're wider in the aisles than a 357, they're more comfortable than a 357. They've even got proper tables, well, not proper tables, but better tables than a 357. So I would certainly say the 357's days are very numbered. So yeah, my overall opinion, if I was to rate the 720s, I give them a big thumbs up, because I think C2C should order more of them. Anyway, thank you all for watching. I hope you did enjoy that vlog. If you did, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not already done so. Thank you to the members as well. Your continued support of the channel, it does mean the absolute world to me. If you want to become a member, just like everyone else, it's $3.99 for a membership. You get the vlogs nice and early into your account.
Platform 1 will be the 14,
and you get bowled by announcements as well. So that's going to do it for me. I'm off to go film another vlog now. I can't stop filming vlogs today, which is rather unusual for me. And this one, well, it's actually not going to be too far away. It's going to be from a location that's not too far away from here. We're going to ask a very important question with that. Your days are numbered. Anyway, thank you all. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you for the next vlog very soon.